Hi there. In this video, we will cover rearranging suppliers. Rearranging suppliers in TechMan allows you to customize the order in which they appear within the system, helping you prioritize frequently used suppliers and organize your workflow in a way that best suits your business. First, let's look at the current order of how the suppliers show up when creating a product. As you can see from this list, GSF and ECP are at the bottom of the drop-down. We'd like to have them at the top of the list as we use them frequently. In order to do so, hover over Products and then click on Suppliers and Depots. Towards the top right-hand side of the screen, click on All Suppliers. Now that we are on the Manage Suppliers screen, we can use the three vertical dots on the left to click and drag the suppliers in the order that we would like it to display. Let's put GSF at the top and then Euro Car Parts underneath this. Now let's have a look at creating a new product. And as you can see, the suppliers have now been rearranged to the order that we set. This now makes it much easier to select our preferred suppliers quickly when adding new products. Thanks for watching. Be sure to use this easy method to rearrange suppliers. If you found this helpful, do check out our other videos for more useful tips. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help center to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.